Rethinking Our Diet: A Healthy Journey for African Descendants in the Modern World. Many of us of African descent were raised on traditional meals rooted in our culture. Hearty, rich in flavor, and often heavy in starch. Our ancestors thrived on these meals and lived healthy, energetic lives. But let's not forget, their lifestyle was vastly different. They farmed manually, trekked long distances, and engaged in vigorous daily chores. Physical activity wasn't something they scheduled. It was part of life. Every day was a workout, and because of this, those heavy meals worked well for them. Now, fast forward to today. We find ourselves in a world powered by convenience. Electronic gadgets do most of the work, and our daily activity levels have drastically dropped. Exercise is now something we have to do intentionally. Let's be honest, exercising wasn't a thing for us back then. It happened naturally through life's demands. So, in this modern world, we must be more mindful of our food choices and lifestyle habits. That's why this meal plan has been created, to help us embrace a healthier path while still honoring our heritage. Breakfast ideas. Let's start the day right with nutrient-rich, African-inspired meals that are both satisfying and energizing. Okpa, Bambara beans, a protein-packed steamed pudding made from Bambara nut flour. It's filling, delicious, and perfect for a clean, healthy start. Vegetable scrambled eggs. Eggs sautéed with spinach, onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers. A light, colorful, and protein-rich breakfast choice. Akara, bean cakes. A cherished classic, deep-fried bean cakes made from blended black-eyed peas, spices, and onions. Enjoy in moderation or air fry for a healthier twist. Lunch ideas. Say goodbye to high-carb long-grain rice and hello to cleaner, low-carb alternatives, low-carb basmati rice or quinoa. These are lighter, fiber-rich alternatives that support better digestion and stable blood sugar levels. Quinoa is especially great, a wholesome grain packed with protein. Unripe plantain and grilled tilapia. Unripe plantains are lower in sugar and rich in resistant starch. Pair them with grilled tilapia, a lean source of protein and omega-3s. Dinner ideas. We love our swallows. It's a deep part of our culture. But moderation is key, especially in the evenings. Wheat fufu, in moderation, or cabbage fufu. A great substitute for traditional starchy fufu. Cabbage fufu is low in carbs, light, and still lets you enjoy your favorite soups. Healthy African soups. Choose soups rich in vegetables, herbs, and lean proteins, and avoid excess palm oil, carb-heavy thickeners, or processed seasonings. Additional tips for a healthier lifestyle. Limit sugary foods like cakes and pastries, especially as we age. Swap fruit juices like orange juice, often high in sugar, for beetroot juice, packed with antioxidants and great for heart health. Stay hydrated and keep moving. Even a daily walk makes a big difference. In conclusion, this journey is about balance, awareness, and intentional living. We don't have to abandon our cultural meals. We just need to tweak them to suit the lives we live now. Let your food be your medicine. Let your culture guide your nutrition. Let your health be your priority. Thank you for watching. And here's to a healthier you.